Turning his attention to President Mnangagwa, Geza accused him of abandoning the liberation ideals and comrades who helped bring him into power. Sanabna mashoko kuda panguva ino Geza achikondema mutungamiri wenyika after aiwa panguva ino achionekwa kunzi ava kubetreya vanhu vakamubetsera kuti ave the position yaari panguva ino. Subscribe or like on the bell kuti muna mubudani kwamuchinzi. In quotes, this country was won through bloodshed. Comrades like Chiwenga and Valerio Swanda are still alive, and yet ED has chosen to align himself with the Uganda the corrupt. Chiwenga is now discouraged from speaking out against corruption. What happened to comradeship? He recounted how Mnangagwa was once a political exile when ED was a refugee. It was comrades who called him back to lead. Mugabe told Chiwenga, "You don't know this man. ED, I would rather leave the country in your hands." But Chiwenga said, "Let ED rule." And now ED has betrayed the very people who put him in power. Geza also took aim at the handling of war veterans, saying their voices are no longer represented by SANPF. The war veterans, Muchibas and Jimbuiros have grievances. They are independent, but now you have co-opted figures like Victor Matimadanda and Mahia, who no longer speak for real war veterans. That's why the so-called war veterans meetings are boycotted. The generals are not attending because they know those meetings are a farce, he said. He cited Monica Mchangwa's recent remarks in Manicaland as a sign that some within the system are starting to see the truth. She acknowledged that the current financial mismanagement is hitting the country that gave us hope. Geza ended his address by urging unity among those who believe in ideals of liberation struggle and called for continued vigilance as the political situation unfolds. Though the situation iripo panguva inoi, Geza achitsanangura panguva inoi achitandanisa zvakanaka. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechituko chipinda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.